Ni hao ma, wo hen hao, di na, wo ye hen hao. So welcome to my Chinese language club, which we are running under an umbrella of A Square. So today we have a program in related to your Chinese conversation. Okay, and I'm telling to you because guys, whatever I'm saying, what I'm explaining to you, entire thing I have pasted in my description box. So how you can watch this video? You can open the link, right? And side by side, straight away you have to see my description also, so that what I am saying to you, you can see the description like something puns. Okay, Kang Pi, okay, Kang Pi. So you can check the pin in spelling in Chinese, right? And you will come to know the sounds also. Let's start with this. Mai, speak up. Mai is basically not and no. Mai. So I'm saying Mai. So it is already displayed in the description box, and you can see the spelling going pin in Mai. Chie Chie. Chie Chie is your elder sister. K. Because today the module is we have a particle in Chinese language. K, Pan, we have Cheer, we have Chang. Is that clear to you? Okay, so we have a particle basically. So Mai is not and no. Okay, Chie Chie is your elder sister. K is your major word. K is your major word. Pan is a major word for book. Today we have a particle basically because in Chinese we don't have a typical grammar rules. We have a particle basically. Is that clear to you? So Mai is not and no. Chie Chie is your elder sister. K is a major word for a particle. Pan again is a major word for book. Pan. So if you're using book pattern, so you have to apply pan. Pan is a major word for book. Liang. Liang is number 2. Chir. So basically cheer is a major word for pen, song, thing. Is that clear to you? Speak up. Cheer. Cheer is a major word for you have to use for song. You have to use for thing, pen or a thing in the form of shaft form. A shaft form. Shaft form. Okay. Chang. Chang is a major word for table, badge, mouth, paper. If you're using paper, if you're using the paper vocab, the table vocab, the bed vocab, the mouth vocab, you have to use chang, because in Chinese we don't have a typical grammar rules. We have a particle chang, chi, chir, we have pa, we have ka. So over here we have 4 particles. One is ka, okay, is a major word. Pan is a major word for book. Cheer is a major word for song, pen, and the thing which in the short form. Chang is a major word for paper, table, bed, and mouth. Huad is a picture painting basically. Is that clear to you? Now again we have pa. Pa is a major word for thing with handle. The thing with handle. The thing with handle. We have to use pa particle because we have a particle over here. Now it's YIZI. So I already have mentioned, already have write it down in my notepad, so that this notepad I will display in the description box. It's we have a chair. Chuots we have a desk and table. The moment you will read ZHOUZI, you will come to that is chuots. Chuots sound. Chuots desk and table. Chuang is bed. Chuang, speak of Chuang. Waikuo, speak of Waikuo. Waikuo is your country. Quets is your wardrobe. Quets, speak up. Quets. And one we have bookshelf also, which is Shuchia. Shuchia is also a bookshelf. Okay. Tian Tang, speak up. Tian Tang. Tian Tang is your light. Tian Tang. Thai Tang. Tian Tang. Tian Tang is your light basically. Tian Tang. Is that clear to you? Tonglama. Tonglama. Understand? You understand? Tonglama. Tian Tang is your light. Thai Tang is your table lamp. Now Chong. Speak up. Now Chong is your alarm. Alarm clock we call as. Okay. Now Chong. Shu Piao is your watch. That your wrist watch, wall clock. Shu Piao. Now Chong is your alarm clock. Okay, now Chong. Shu Piao is your watch. Okay, so let's go for the conversation, because today I will give the conversation. For example, if you will say how many tables this is. Here, this is how many tables. If you want to say in Chinese, this is how many tables. Che shir chi chang chuots. Che is this. Shir is MR. Ch, shir, chi is how many. Chang is my particle over here. As I explained to you, chang is my particle. So for table, we have to use chang particle. Chang, chuots. Chuots is my table. So I have pasted in my description box also the same line. Ch, shir, chi, chang, chuots. Okay. Now you will say ch, shir, chu, chang, chuots. And the answer is ch, shir, chu, chang, chuots. Now you will say na, shir, chi, pa, its. Now pa is my particle. Na, shir, that is chi. Pa is my particle. Its is my chair. So chair is with handle. Chair with handle, like we have armchair with handle. So we have to use pa, because pa is a particle which the thing which we use for a handle. So pa particle over here. For chair we have to use pa particle. So na, shir, if I'm asking na, shir, chi, pa, its. Na, shir, shir, pa, its. Na, shir, shir, pa, its. Okay, now ni, yo, chi, chir, kang, pi. Ni, yo, chi, chir, kang, pi. Kang, pi is my pen. So if I'm using pen, so we have particle is chair. It's very important to understand. If we have a pen, if I'm using pen vocab or pen noun, so I have to use chair, because we do not have grammar in Chinese. We have a particles rules. So for pen I have to apply chair. If I'm saying ni, yo, chi, ni, yo, chi, chir, kang, pi. Ni, yo, chi, chir, kang, pi. You will say wo, yo, liang, chir, kang, pi. Wo, yo, liang, chir, kang, pi. If I'm saying I can pen down also, I will write down also in that case. Neo, you have chir, how many? Chir, kang, pi. How many pen you have? Chir, kang, pi. Wo, yo, liang, chir, kang, pi. I have 2 pen. Okay. Tha, yo, chi, ke, puns. Puns is your exercise notebook. Puns. So with puns, with exercise book, I have to use ke particle. With puns that we call as exercise book, I have to use ke particle. It is very important to understand. If you are using exercise book, which we call as puns, I have to use ke particle. So if I'm saying he has how many exercise book? If I'm asking tha, yo is have chi, ke, puns. You will say tha, yo, wu, ke, puns. Tha, yo, wu, ke, puns. Is that clear to you? Okay. So let's go for again a conversation. If you will say Ting Wan, because I'm writing down also, so that's why Ting Wan shir chong huo shui sheng. Ting Wan is the name of the person. Ting Wan is a Chinese student. If I'm saying Ting Wan is Chinese student, Ting Wan shir is MR. Shir is basically my MR. Entire thing I am writing down also, which I will paste. Again, I'm saying again and again, paste in my description box, because the moment you will listen the video, you have to go in my description box also to read the text. Okay. Ting Wan shir chong kuo. Chong kuo is China. Chong kuo. Speak up. Chong kuo. So Ting Wan shir chong kuo shui sheng. Ting Wan shir chong kuo shui sheng. I'm saying Ting Wan shir chong kuo shui sheng. Shui sheng is your student. The Ting Wan is Chinese student. Ting Wan shir chong kuo shui sheng. If I'm saying very fast, Ting Wan shir chong kuo shui sheng. Ting Wan shir chong kuo shui sheng. So this is very fast Chinese. Ting Wan shir chong kuo shui sheng. Ting Wan shir chong kuo shui sheng. So Ting Wan is a Chinese student. Okay. So let me pen down also so that I can paste in my description box. Okay, you will say tha, yo, e ke wai kuo pangkyo. Wai kuo is your foreign country. Wai kuo, which we have done. Wai kuo, ke is my particle. Ke is my particle, which we ke. Wai kuo is your foreign country, and pangkyo is your friend. Pangkyo. Speak of pangkyo. That's why I'm saying tha, yo, he has, she has, it has. E ke wai kuo pangkyo. Tha, yo, speak up. Tha, yo, e, she has one. E ke wai kuo, foreign country friend. Pangkuo is a friend. Is something. He has one foreign country friend. So tha, yo, e ke is a particle. Wai kuo pangkyo. Wai kuo is my foreign, and pangkyo is your friend. Is that clear to you? Okay. So the next we have is Chiao Hali. Hali shir in kuo liu shui sheng. Inquo is again my English country. Inquo, English. So I'm saying Hali Shed Inquo Liu Shuesheng. Liu Shuesheng is a foreign student. Shuesheng is your student. If I'm saying Liu Shuesheng is your student. Liu Shuesheng is a foreign student. So now we have is Xiao Hali. Hali Shed Inquo Liu Shuesheng. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Now the next we have is Ting Wan Shui Inkui. Ting Wan. It is very important to understand now. Ting Wan is the name of the person. Ting Wan, a Chinese people name. Ting Wan. Shui Shi. Shui Shi is my verb to study. Shui Shi Inkui. Inkui is my English. Ting Wan Shui Shi Inkui. Ting Wan Shui Shi Inkui. Ting Wan Shui Shi Inkui. Ting Wan Shui Shi Inkui means what? Ting Wan Shui Shi Inkui. 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 It means Ting Wan study English. Ting Wan study English. Tha yo liang pan Ingwan. Tha yo liang pan Ingwan. Is that clear to you? So now let's repeat this. Let's go for the next pattern. Ipan Ingwan Satyan. Satyan is a dictionary. Ipan pan. So pan is basically my particle which we use for book. So Satyan is my dictionary. That's a book. So we have to use pan particle. Ipan Ingwan. Speak up. Ipan pan is my particle. Ipan Ingwan Satyan. Speak up. Ipan. So what I'm saying, Ipan Ingwan Satyan. This is I have already pasted in the description box. Ipan Ingwan Satyan. Tha me yo Ingwan Sachir. Tha me yo Ingwan Sachir. Speak up. Tha me yo. Speak up. Tha me yo Ingwan Sachir. Speak up. Tha me yo Ingwan Sachir. Char yo liang chang chuang. Char yo liang chang chuang. See, chang chuang. Chuang is my bed and chang is my particle. I'm saying here have char yo liang chu. Char yo here have liang chu bed chuang, but chuang particle is my chang, so I have to insert chang before the chuang. Chuang is my bed, so chang is my particle basically for chuang, for bed. So char yo liang chang chuang. The next we have is liang ka quets. Very good. Liang ka quets. Ka particle quets is my wardrobe. Liang chang chuots. Liang chang chuots. Very important to understand. Liang ka quets. Quets is a wardrobe. Quets is a wardrobe. So I'm saying ka. With quets, with wardrobe, we have to use ka particle. So this particle you have to understand, which is very important now. Liang ka quets, liang chang chuots. Liang ka quets, ka particle which we use for what I would say for a wardrobe, and liang chang chuots. Chuots is your table and desk, and chang we use for bed, table, paper. Is that clear to you? So liang chang chuots. Liang chang chuots. Liang pa its. Liang ka shuchia. Speak up. Liang ka shuchia. Shuchia is a bookshelf. So let me repeat one more time. I will explain to you one more time. So over here we have chang as already explained to you. Chang particle which we use for a table, bed, mouth, and for paper, right? See, I'm repeating one more time from the end. Liang ka shuchia. Shuchia is basically your bookshelf. Shu is book, shuchia is your bookshelf. Liang ka shuchia, two bookshelf. Liang ka. Particle for shuchia is ka. Bookshelf we have particle for ka. Liang ka shuchia. Liang pa its. Liang pa its. Now why liang pa its? Because its we have a chair, and for its we have to use pa particle, because chair we have something like a handle chair. Okay, liang pa its. Liang ka quets. Quets is your wardrobe. Ka quets shuchia ka. Liang chang chuots. Liang chang chuots. Chang chuots table. Chuots, chang is my particle. So this particle you have to understand, guys. So I believe definitely it will help you out the moment if you want to touch the high level, guys. Okay, so by the time Sai Chien, Xie Shi,